Look at you shaking now.
My arms are like those of lead.
You heard?
No, I didn't.
I said the side stand decks it over more. I think I'm
That's
dreaming.
embarrassing.
I know, I'm going to wake up in...
Embarrassing
You're
now, isn't it?
disgrace to the channel. I'm so embarrassed.
No, don't be.
I'm going to have to cut these bits out.
No, you're going to leave it right away.
Stand up. No control, sat down.
Hang on, look.
He's off. What's up? You just done a little chicane and a couple of twisties.
That's all it was, wasn't it? And I was gone again.
You're trembling, stop. Mate, your fingers are shaking like leaves. Oh, come on, the side stand leans it more than you.
And yeah?
You heard?
No, I didn't.
I said the side stand decks it over more.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Stop, let's see your hand. Hold your hand out.
Yeah.
Oh my.
I'm feeling now. Can't get to my palms here.
Oh, what's that?
Does it, man? I don't know, like you said, you're being...
When you're sat down,
You're
I'm
being
not
forced down
surprised.
a little bit. You're like sort of...
Oh yeah, angled.
Yeah, and it pushes down on my little puff. On my claws.
Can't say stuff like that.
Yeah, it has me on my claws, doesn't it?
Oh my god, you're going to offend so many people now. Look at you shaking now.
My arms are like those of lead.
What about your back?
No, that's fine. Got a little bit in there.
You only done a lap and a half.
Yacht, innit?
Hot, that was.
Yeah.
Yacht.
Yacht, innit? It is.
Do you like that chicane?
Yeah, but I knew I'd like to do it on the sur-ron.
Yeah. Well, it ain't going to help you.
No, the thing's tall as me.
That's not difficult, mate. That's not difficult.
No, it's good though, and you've got to push off.
What? 2, that's 20 seconds added. Oh mate. Schoolboy. Ah, look at him. Just wrecks the place, look. Cones everywhere. I've been doing this for days and not once have I clipped a cone. Christ, I think you was touching them because you thought they was ice cream cones.
Yeah.
Are you joking me? Nah.
Right, feel out here.
I don't know whether this is a put on or not. Dribbling all over your face. You got drool down you like a boxer dog. Or
yeah, I got half in, half out.
in your hair, it looks like all dribble. This seriously has to
No,
be
see, I got it here.
seriously. Can you feel that hair?
Feet blowing now, feet blowing. It's too hot for me, young.
It's not even hot.
It's 38, isn't it?
What?
38, isn't it?
I don't know what you're saying.
38.
I can't even translate that.
Yeah, you'll be alright,
Good job you didn't use the thumb regen for its brakes.
Yeah. They shit attack that thing here.
You hadn't even tried it.
Ah, go on here.
What? You gotta speak English.
Oh, I ain't there, no.
Where were you born?
Down the road, wasn't I? Not far from here.
What, in the barn or something?
Oh, no.
Churchill Hall.
No, it's down the road, isn't it?
Oh my. Have you had a drink today?
Yeah, about a Lucade.
Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah.
That Lucasade's gone to your head.
Bubbled up, ain't I?
Oh.
Get in the shade or I do what, yeah.
What?
Make my hair go all blonde and curly.
Oh. You're more worried about your hands.
Oh. Yeah,
This is serious. You've done like 4 laps. You've nearly pulled your arms off. And we're only in street mode, which is 3000 watts, Bullhead. 3000 watts and you've pulled your arms out.
I don't know that ring. No, but yeah. Yeah.
I don't know what to say.
Right,
Look, he's wrecked the line.
Well, I've been too tall a pedal, haven't they?
Mate, I see people smaller than you riding bigger bikes. They don't complain.
No, the bonnet too tall. They hit my feet.
Go out wider then.
I'm decking it over.
No, there's no. That's like saying I hit the car because my bike was wider than my old one.
There's a smaller one.
Well, you should have taken it wider.
You need to swap
No, you have to adjust to these conditions.
Well, you got these. Adjust it over there, mate.
I don't need to adjust
I
it.
faster than you. That's why you don't feel it.
No, you don't. I was a second quicker. We timed ourselves.
That's a bloody daft.
You know, Bullhead.
No, you don't know. You don't.
You were 27.74 and I was 27.1.
Silence. Insolence.
I didn't actually record that, but Bullhead, on God's honest truth, on my heart, you know I whipped.
No, I didn't see.
I was just over a second quicker nearly.
Daft, bloody daft.
Not quite, but sounds
Exactly.
good. Well, it's nearly. It's
No, yeah, I don't want to hear it.
0.74.
I couldn't see. I had my hair in my
Tell Lewis Hamilton that 0.74 doesn't matter. Your favourite racer.
Oh, Ferrari, ain't I?
Yeah, I know you like Hamilton.
No, I'm saying Hamilton.
Mercedes.
Yeah, Ferrari.
And then it was Button before that.
No, but it all Ferraris, all been Ferrari.
Damon Hill before that and Coulthard, I remember.
No. Ferrari.
Nah. Oh, Schumacher boy.
He's Schumacher.
He was a Schumacher fanboy.
No, all been Ferrari, ain't I? It's got me pumped again. You're getting on me going,
Oh, mate, do some press-ups. Have a stretch.
no, it's something to do with that.
It is. Have a stretch. I can't believe what I'm seeing. I think I'm
it's
dreaming. I know. I'm going to wake up in. You're disgrace to the channel.
No, you're better.
You needed to do the gym or something.
No, nothing to do with it.
I thought you told me that you'd done thousands of miles on the rower recently trying to get fit and hundreds of hours on it.
And chest for a 2-ton bull, look.
Well, yeah.
I see nothing.
You do your chest every other day.
No,
Legs once a month, if that.
what's wrong with that, look? Look at the sparrow
It's
legs.
leg day this month, isn't it?
No. Oh, getting better now, isn't it? It's just a spit on you. It's the riding position.
Well, that's more aggressive,
It's more
attacking. If
power,
you was
isn't it?
going fast, you'd feel yourself pulling back like me.
What am I? Fucking no power.
You're going so slow, you're
no
falling
power,
forward.
Won't pull you out of bed.
Show your Aprilia who's boss.
Yeah. Men, right, real twins. Yeah, one more then.
Oh, yeah. He doesn't realise those tyres are rubbish and you could easily lose the front end. Yeah, we just had the cones set out for a few days now. Just nip out here for a bit of a practice session. And I thought Bullhead needed a bit of practice.
I'll squash that.
Yeah.
One more.
Just one more, he always says that. He's still on. Yeah, those tyres are, that front can just easily give out. I've actually felt it nearly give on me a couple of times, and especially just sat down like that. This is just perfect for exactly how you're meant to ride. Sat down, bolt upright, knees out. He's proper, yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. He's got the technique down to a T. And obviously he's very safety conscious, sorry. Yeah, until they don't. Mate, seriously though, you're not really leant over. You got a lot more. Stop then.
No, you stop it.
Well, you can't do much more. Look, it can't get off quick enough. Quick, my hands, quick.
You'll be.
Quick.
Oh. Yeah, all right.
I'm so embarrassed.
No, don't be.
I'm going to have to cut these bits out.
No, you're going to leave it right away, yeah?
They'll be left right in.
Oh, there's you, are.
Now look at it decked over. You should have been like that, Bullhead.
I was like that. Oh, yeah.
You
What
weird.
about?
Show me that again. What do you think you were like?
Oh, yeah, wasn't I?
I get a picture of that.
Yeah. She was kicking out, wasn't she, on me? I hold on to her.
Kicking out on you. That's because your weight's all planted on the seat.
No, it's all grip.
Grip.
No.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get in shape, mate.
Okay, well, I'll let you go. I'll do a couple of laps and then I'll bring the bike back.
Innit?
Well, it is a bit hot, but I'm not complaining.
No, bit rain tomorrow, innit?
What, you eating tomorrow?
No, it's gonna rain tomorrow.
You're losing it.
Stand there in the rain, innit? Walk grass.
Mardi Gras?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
raining bombs.
Yeah, you're right.
I think you're trying to say it might rain.
No.
Ah, you should have said.
But don't now look at me like you're going to eat me. What's up with you?
Right, well, you've had your bit of training for today. Do you
Yeah,
think you
well,
learnt something?
Eh?
Do you think you learnt something?
Power.
Do you like the you wouldn't be able to use the power.
Hang on.
If I get the sur-ron out, I still bet you wouldn't beat your time, 27.74.
That's right, better go more. Yeah, I like that.
You can't use the power here though. It's all about technique, consistency.
What technique? Been bent over, wouldn't it? Yeah.
Technique. I was just telling them your great form. Sat down, bolt upright,
I know you're on
knees
that.
out.
Balance.
Perfect form.
Balance.
Yeah, I hope everyone, kids, don't ride like Bullhead, please.
Oh, yeah.
It'll end in tears. That's got nothing to do with standing up.
Yeah.
I'm going to see this all night, aren't we? Probably ring me up later. Johnny, I can't turn the controller over. My arms are like lead.
Yeah.
I'm cramped up. I can't get the tomato out the fridge to make my sandwiches for tomorrow.
No, tuna, no.
What you eat?
Who?
Who?
Tuna, no.
Oh. What's that?
What do you mean, like a bit, innit?
Yeah, but tinned or a proper fresh tuna?
Oh, sunflower.
Sunflower?
Plain go out dark vinegar. I eat neat, don't I?
What, you eat neat sunflower seed?
I'm doing me around. Now, when we'll go and put it away, are we?
Alright.
Ooh.
Sun cream's going in my eyes now, they're watering.
Yeah. See, I.